Hello, my name is Mariam, and today we'll be presenting you Albany Campus Portal, CSS Refactor, and Project Advances. We made some changes in that, so we'll be presenting those changes today. So some of the changes we made were in the layout and the function logic. So we added a right offset variable for back to top and chat fab alignments. We also implemented scroll margin top to prevent fixed navbar overlaps. We increased the desktop spacing for better contact visibility below the navbar. Another thing we added was adjusted footer to stick to bottom using Flexbox layout. We also fixed the Z index issues where submit buttons overlap to navbar. And we kept brand text on one line using white space no wrap. Other changes we made were visual design system. We reworked our buttons, we rounded the corners, and you Albany gold defaults. We added reusable card style, in which we rounded the corners with subtle shadows. We also applied card styles to forms where you can log in, sign up, and profile edit containers. We applied card style to tables like dashboard tables with row borders. We implemented profile photos UI with which you can see the previews and upload layout styles. And then we unified the padding utilities as well.
Um, this slide explains how we structured our CSS architecture. First, we centralized design tokens using CSS variables for key colors like gold and purple, along with layout offsets. Second, we created reusable UI utilities such as .card, .btn, .form, and .table classes to reduce repeated styling. Third, we applied component-based styling for specific sections like the navigation bar, posts, and profile panels. Overall, this architecture ensures global consistency but by maintaining a single source of truth for spacing, colors, and typography. We also focus on visual and mobile improvements. For graphics, we used box shadows and rounded corners to give cards a sense of depth. We also improved the landing page contrast by adding a dark overlay on background images. On the mobile side, we implemented responsive breakpoints, so layouts shift from multiple column to single column on smaller screens. We also created a CSS-only hamburger menu for mobile navigation and adjusted button padding and font sizes to make interactions more touch-friendly. This slide highlights how we improved forms and tables. For web forms, we used cart-style containers for login, registration, and profile pages, which improves readability and visual grouping. We also standardized padding and shadow styles to make input fields clearer and easier to interact with. For tables, dashboard data is displayed inside card-style layout with rounded headers and rows separators to create a cleaner, modern look. We also used grid layout in the profile sections to ensure a stable and responsive page structure.